A very good morning to my beloved panel. My name is Ananda Muthusamy and my metric number is BO91810031. Now I am going to talk about my bachelor degree project 1. My project title is Analysis Vibration Effect on Air Conditioner Motor Compressor using Statistical Analysis Method. I am going to start my presentation with introduction. Vibration is a mechanical process in which oscillations happens at the point of balance. The Latin vibration derives from the word shaking and brandishing. Vibration are often unwelcome because they waste and cause unwanted sound. An important benefit of vibration analysis is that it is possible to spot complications before they go to severe and trigger untidy downtime. VR analysis enables for problem detection and expected failure to be prevented and offers considerable benefits including lower cost maintenance, greater machine availability, reduced stock of spare parts and improved safety. This can be accomplished either by continuously or scheduled interval recording. Regular vibration surveillance can detect damaging or faulty rolling stock, mechanical looseness and worn or broken bearings. Analysis of the vibration may also diagnose a defect and unbalanced sprayer onto the bearing shaft. Next slide is problem statement. The key ingredient for running air conditioner is the compressor engine. If a new air conditioner cannot be used again and can no longer be used, the diagnostic device can take steps to resolve the issue. A treatment is easier than a cure. A diagnosis that prevents anything negative from happening should be used. This is the best to avoid the issue instead of trying to locate the fault cause of the failure. The next part is research objective. Aim of this thesis is to measure vibration on vibrating components of air conditioner unit, to determine the source of vibration on air conditioner unit, and to determine the type of vibration problem that happens in vibration unit. Next is scope. First is analysis vibration will be performed on air conditioner system. Accelerometer will be used to analyze the data using fast Fourier transform. Short form is FFT. Machine learning is utilized to collect and analyze data. Determining the best way to identify and diagnose failure, a statistical signal analysis will be employed. The following part is literature review. First article name is Air Conditioning Systems, wrote by Michael, that explains air conditioner motor are essential component for the proper operation of your home air conditioning system. It will go through many types of single phase motors that are utilized in your air conditioning systems. The next article is modeling and experimental evaluation of an automotive air compressor with variable capacity compressor. It is wrote by J.M. Jabado. Explains that simulating the effects on the operating performance such as operation parameters, compressor speed, air return in the evaporator and air condensing temperature. The last article is vibration analysis by Vishnu KV. Explains the machine dynamic force increase intensity which causes the greater vibration of the machine or reduce the machine's physical integrity, creating an increased vibration. They showed mainly 4 factors that determine the characteristic of vibration, and they are exciting force, mass of the vibration system, stiffness of the vibration system, and damping characteristic of vibrating system. Now I'm going to continue with my methodology. This thesis start with literature review, then need to do some experiment setup. From the setup, we can get some signal parameters. After that, we will get the signal filtered and measured. Then we can start our signal analysis to get analysis result. The next part is preliminary analysis. To achieve a statistically defined vibration, constructing a compressor vibration monitoring hardware through accelerometer to forecasting the future outcome of the normal and abnormal vibration result will be accomplished. Okay, now I am going to talk about my result and discussion. For this research, the vibration analysis has been done. The parameters have been used several constant temperature that are 16 degrees Celsius, 24 degrees Celsius and 30 degrees Celsius with 5 different fan speed. Referring to all the result of vibration monitoring techniques reveal that measuring the result of vibration and noise characteristic, it is possible to evaluate the technical condition of compressor and fan speed and to ensure that the equipment operate at peak efficiency. It is also possible to prevent emergency and to issue timely warning about potential malfunction using vibration monitoring. However, since just the basic analysis of vibration monitoring is given in the research, more work is necessary in order to stimulate it. For this research, the SO Analyzer program is used to conduct the analysis of vibration signal. A comparison of normal compressor and failure compressor vibration for an air conditioner is displayed in the following diagrams. By referring the graph, observe from the graph that the amplitude of the Fourier transform of compressor fault vibration increases much more than the amplitude of the normal signal does. Referring to the graph that I attached in the chapter 4, there are 3 types of temperature and 5 types of fan speed level. When the amplitude is increased at their fan level speed, it is clear to see that the amplitude value is obtained from the temperature and fan speed combination is also increased. With increasing time required to complete the stunning process, the magnitude and frequency of the amplitude values that have been stunned decrease in magnitude and frequency respectively. It is discovered that the peak temperature is somewhere lower than the other 2 values when the peak temperature is compared to them. This is due to the high rate at which the compressor runs at the moderate temperature in order to provide a medium cooling effect. Now I am going to talk about my conclusion and recommendation, that is chapter 5. Okay, first of all, conclusion. The vibration signals from the air conditioning system are monitored and analyzed, and a fuzzy control is created based on the result of the analysis. The first step has been taken toward providing an integrated environment for studying vibration data over a wide range of frequency band. The following findings were drawn as a result of the encounter. A direct proportional link is discovered between essential input parameters and output parameters as a result of the simulation analysis, which was conducted as the input parameters such as compressor speed and evaporation temperature rise. So will the output parameters which are referring to the refrigerant qualities such as pressure and temperature. It is possible to enhance the refrigerant capacity by increasing both the pressure and the temperature simultaneously. When the swept volume flow of the compressor is increased, the growing compressor speed has a directly proportional connection to the swept volume flow. The increases in swept volume flow will result in an increase in the refrigerant mass flow rate throughout the system. Okay, now I'm going to talk about recommendation. By comparing the result of computer simulation and experiment, it is possible to enhance the value of different percentage. In relations for this thesis, the following are some recommendation for more research. Construct a comparable experimental setup and program it is using computer simulation to increase the assumption of computer efficiency, both mechanically and volumetrically, while using high-speed compressor. Develop and investigate the specifics of each component vibration rate, such as the vibration coefficients at the evaporator and condenser, in more depth. There are two Gantt charts I have attached in my presentation slide for PSM1 and PSM2. For PSM1, I have achieved the Gantt chart plan very well. Okay. For PSM2, the works procedure worked very well as planned as in the Gantt chart.